Aliyah and Grandpa Nevis at the market. Weekends with Grandpa, always fun.
Going to the market. Aliyah, do you want to come?
Oh yes, I replied, taking $1 crocus bag for the goods and $2 for Kisco when we arrive.
We're making fish tea soup today, baby. And you're taking the tab. Note all the produce that's going in the bag. So, we'll need 3 Irish potatoes, 4 pounds of fish, and 5 pounds of pumpkin to flavor our dish. You know I like pumpkin. Will that amount do? I'm making a small pot, baby, but I'll save a few pieces for you.
We tried enough vendors waddling through the crowd. Everyone did a shout. The market was very loud. He went to a lady. She greeted him with a smile. Oh yeah, the Nevis. And who is this little child?
Her name is Aliyah, and we're cooking today. A few things to get, then we'll be on our way. Serve us 6 green bananas and 7 different seasonings: garlic, pimento, thyme, and onion, and a sprig of rosemary, some scotch bonnet peppers, and a fresh scallion. Now, let's get the last few things. Aliyah, enough yam to get 8 slices and flour to make 9 dumplings.
Remember my treats, Grandpa? I chimed on the way to the car. He smiled and replied,
Oh, that's not very far. I'll get you the Kiscos and your favorite snack. You can eat in the car. There's 10 in the pack. We make soup today, baby, the best you ever had. You'll love cooking with Grandpa, even more than Mom and Dad.
Aliyah and Grandpa Nevis at the market is now available as a paperback book on Amazon and an audiobook on Audible.